Hello and welcome to Restoration ERP. Today we will talk about the section elevators. Here on the building side, you will see the elevators on the left side. Just select it. And of course I don't have any on my building, but we can create one. So let's put the elevator number 1, where it's located. North side, the door height, which is 84 inches, the door width, which is 68 inches, the interior height 84 to 96, so let's go with 96 inches. Width 68 inches, and the capacity for this one is 3000. Where is the shut-off panel? In machine room. All right, once we submit this, there you have one of the elevators. You can add multiple ones. It's just select create, and you can add this one as well if you needed to.